Are you facing the frustration of being locked out of your home, car, or business? Feeling stressed and stranded? Welcome to King Locksmith and Doors, your steadfast and reliable partner dedicated to providing comprehensive locksmith and security solutions. With a proud legacy of service, we ensure the peace of mind and protection of residents across Maryland, from Silver Spring to Annapolis and beyond. Our solution? Swift and professional locksmith services tailored to your needs. Benefit from our years of experience, expertise, and commitment to customer satisfaction. Join us on this journey towards a safer and more convenient life in Maryland. Call us at 240-345-1455 for MD and for 202-800-2622 DC. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more security updates. Click here for more informative videos.